Here is a quick guide on how to create a Telegram bot. Open the Telegram app on your device and search for BotFather. This is a bot that helps you create and manage bots. Send a message to BotFather saying /start to begin the process of creating a new bot. Send a message to BotFather saying /newbot to create a new bot. You will be asked to choose a name for your bot and a username for your bot. The name will be visible to users, and the username must end in bot and must be unique. BotFather will give you a token that you will use to authenticate your bot. Make sure to save this token, as you will need it later. You can use the token to access the HTTP API for your bot and start using it to send messages, etc. If you want to customize your bot further, you can use the BotFather's commands to change the bot's name, avatar, and other settings. You can also use the HTTP API to program your bot to do various tasks, such as responding to messages or interacting with users. Once you have finished setting up your bot, you can share it with your friends and others by sending them the bot's username. They can then start using the bot by sending it messages. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.